everyone, so today I am going to be doing my update for my project ban. Yeah, I am so excited about this update. I am going to be taking out the most products that I have so far in all of my updates and bringing in the most new products to this project so far. And the reason why I say it like that is because I have used up quite a few products, but I am also decluttering two of them. First product we are going to talk about is actually one of the items I am decluttering. And that is my body care item, hand cream, body cream, whatever. This is what I pulled last month. And this is, I don't know if this is expired, but this is old, I will say. It broke my hands out. Like, my hands had like little bumps all over them from this. When I stopped using it, they went away. So I know it's this product. I just don't want to do that. I don't even want to put it on my body because I don't want that to happen on the rest of my body. So this is being tossed, thrown away, and I'm introducing a new product. So for this category, I am going to be replacing that with this one, and this is the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Lemon Zest Energy Body Lotion. And this is 2 fluid ounces. I'm thinking maybe it'll take me 2 months to use. All right, my next body product is my regularly used body product, and I was using this Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, and this is the crushed macadamia and rice milk one. And there's still a little bit of liquid in there. Don't want to dump that out on myself, but as you can see, it is completely empty. There is nothing left in here. Yeah, I used every last drop of this. I really enjoyed this. I used this 6 more times this month, but total throughout the months I've been using this, I used it a total of 30 times. So this is like, if you use it every day, which I didn't, obviously, it would take like a month to use. It's a month worth of product. I am going to be moving on to another body scrub, same Dove, but I think it's the kiwi one, I think is what I'm going to move on to next. But that's not the one I'm going to move into this project, just because I want to switch it up a little bit. The item I'm going to be replacing that with is this. I've actually just finished this same exact product, and I had one more. So since this I haven't even opened yet, I figured I will bring this in. This is the Nivea Men Sensitive Shaving Gel. Kind of going to be interesting to see how many uses it takes to use up one of these and how long it takes me, because I didn't track that for the one that I just finished. Next body product is my specialty body product category, and I used up this one as well. This is the foam bath that I had. As you can see, there is nothing left in that. It's completely empty, and I actually did end up using it all in one bath. I probably could have got away with 2, but I think putting all of it in definitely made lots of bubbles, which was really awesome. It didn't really have much of a scent though, so it was just bubbles. I don't know. So it was nice, but I feel like you would have to, for me, to make it fun, would have to pair it with something that smelled good. So I'm replacing it with my last special bath product that I have in my collection. Like, this is it. Unless I get something else later on. This will be the last product from this prompt or this category, and then I will take out this category from future updates. So this is, what is this? A cleansing and softening shower oil from L'Occitane? How do you say that? L'Occitane? I'm so sorry. I don't know how to say that correctly. Some people here on YouTube rave about this, say this is like a holy grail product for them. So I'm actually really excited. I'm looking forward to using this. I really am. I'm hoping it's as good as it seems, or I think it's gonna be, but we will find out, and we'll find out how long it takes me to use as well. Last body product in the project is the Gucci Bloom fragrance. Can you see that? There is still product in there. Yes, there is. I didn't like this. I did not like the scent. I think I used it, how many times did I use this? 4 times. After that, I just couldn't do it. So yeah, that's leaving the project, and I will be introducing a new little fragrance sample. This is the Vera Bradley Macaroon Rose, or Macaron Rose. I'm not sure the correct pronunciation of it, and you really can't see it, but at least you can see how full it is. Okay, so now moving on to the hair products. The first one is a foil packet, and I had used the marula oil. I used it completely up. This is all gone. I used it a total of 4 times. It was okay. Yeah, nothing bad. I don't think it's super anything special. I'm replacing it with another foil packet, and this is by Strivectin, and it's a hair product. I haven't tried any Strivectin hair products before. I didn't even know they had hair products. But this is a deep repair mask for damaged or thinning hair. So I'm gonna try this out, see what I think. I am now done with this conditioner, this Kenra. Now it was upside down because I was trying to get everything to go to the bottom, and this is how much I had left last time, and I completely used all that up. I even scraped inside of it to make sure I got every last drop, and I did. I used this a total of 12 times this month to finish it up and scrape everything out, and throughout all my uses of this project, I used it 33 times that I marked down. I know I used it more than that. So 33 plus times or uses out of this bottle. I am going to be replacing it with this. So here's the thing. I need to go out and purchase another conditioner. I don't have one currently. So I had this little sample guy, and I'm a little bit skeptical about this, and not so sure if this is gonna work or not, but I'm gonna put it in here because I don't have anything else at the moment of filming this. But this is by the same brand as that hand lotion that did not work. This is by AO. It's their Shea Butter Citrus Vanilla Conditioner. I was using this little hair fragrance mist thing that I had, and I did finish it. It is completely gone. There wasn't a whole lot left at all. I feel like during the last update I was like kind of bummed that it wasn't gone. But surprisingly, it took me 7 more times to use this up. Took me a total of 28 uses to use this entire little thing. And it was okay. I would never purchase something like this. It's just so unnecessary, and you know, I didn't feel like I could wear perfumes or anything along with it. I prefer just to wear a perfume. So, you know, at least I used it up. That's the point of this project, so I'm really glad that I put it in this project and now it is used up and gone out of my collection. So I'm happy about that. And now I can move on to something else that I have in my collection that's a little not something I would normally reach for, which is this. This is Oblivica Professional Sea Berry Hair Serum for medium to coarse hair. I'm not really sure how I'm going to use this, but I'm going to figure it out. This has 0.5 fluid ounces in it. This Project Pan update has some really good progress, as you can see so far. Lots of empties. And some not so good progress. As you already know, I had some fails that I am decluttering. Well, I have another fail of a type, and that is this product. I didn't even use it. Not once. So there's no progress there, but I'm keeping it in because I'm determined to figure out whether I want to use that one or the other product that I had earlier in my project. All right, on to skincare. I have been making steady progress on this. I'm really trying. This is the Mario Badescu Vitamin A, D, E Neck Cream, and as you know, my progress on this has been pretty slow. I'll show you like a picture because I feel like that'll give you a better idea of this. I used it a total of 9 times this month, and yeah, I think this one's gonna be in the project all year, honestly. But I'm trying, and I haven't noticed anything bad, so that's great. and I just really want to continue to use it. Moving on to the next one, is a good one, is an empty, and that is this. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Firm Collagen Moisturizer, and I used this a total of 19 times. I rolled this in, I think, last month, and I'm not sure if it was this or the next product, but something broke me out. I had bumps all over my face and they would not go away. And I think it was this or the next product because they both kind of finished up at the same time, and they're now, my issue is now gone. Pretty much. I've got a few left, but it's got to be one of these products. So I used this only at night just because it was a thicker, I don't know, like silicone-y kind of a thing. Maybe that would have been good as like moisturizer primer under makeup. Should have thought that one through, but I didn't. Regardless, I won't purchase this again just because it might have broken me out. I ran out of the face scrub that I was using, so I figured I would roll in another face scrub and kind of switch it up to a different product. And this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I've heard people really like this, so I'm looking forward to using it. And this is 0.25 fluid ounces. Next product, skincare product, might have been breaking me out. We don't really know. It's one of the two products. This is the Skin Iceland Solutions for Stressed Skin Icelandic Youth Serum. I wanted to like it, but I wouldn't purchase it even if it really wasn't breaking me out because it was very sticky, and maybe serums are supposed to be that way, but I had to wait a while after applying this to apply anything else on top. And because it's a serum, I usually put this on first and then my moisturizer. So it was kind of a pain in the butt to me because I had to wait so long in between applications of different products, and in the morning that just, I just want to get my stuff done and not have to spend a whole lot of time on my skincare. It's completely gone. So I am replacing it with a different serum. And this is the Origins Landscription Anti-Aging Power Serum. And this is 0.5 fluid ounces. And I have had this a while, so I figure it's time to use it. I've got one more skincare item, and then the rest is makeup. I'm still working on all of these products, but I am making good progress. So the last skincare product is another Mario Badescu product, and this is the Rose Hips Mask. And I used this 5 times this month. Again, I think I better just show you a picture of this because otherwise it might just kind of fall right out. But yeah, I've made some pretty good progress on this. It is pretty low down there. I love this product. I'm enjoying using it. Maybe 1 or 2 more months and this will be gone. But yeah, that's my progress on that one. My lip product for this project is this NARS Rakugan lip crayon, and I will insert a picture of like the progress, marking the progress from each update. And this month's progress is more than I have done all year. I am really pleased with that, and this thing is itty bitty. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it is really small. And right at the letter N, and yeah, I basically wear it every single day, and I think I've used it, how many times? I've used this 22 times this month, so that's really good. This product, I introduced this I think last month, and I used it how many times? 20 times. I'll insert the picture of my progress, marked, you know, how I mark it from each progress point, and this one just has one update because obviously I rolled it in last time and it was how it was when I first got this. I feel like it hasn't moved much. There is a teeny bit of progress, but yeah, I don't use a whole lot of it each time. I feel like I use it almost every time I wear makeup, and yet, yeah, this is gonna take me a while. That's all I have to say about it. I like it, but it's gonna take me a while. All right, last 2 products are both MAC, both makeup. One is the Fix Plus, and here was my line before. Oh, I didn't make a line this time, but it'll be right here. So I made actually about the same amount of progress from before, almost even. Let's see, so that was here at the T. This is like right under the X. I will have to mark this one, but yeah, making steady progress, so that's good. I'm not trying to rush through that one either because I absolutely love that. Last product to update you on is the MAC Strobe Cream. I can't pinch it because there's air still in here, so I really can't show you the progress, but I used it again 22 times just like the other makeup products, and I feel like it's still got a ways to go. This little guy is 0.2 ounces and there's a lot in here. I use it to highlight my cheekbones, a little bit on my chin, my nose, Cupid's bow. So I use, you know, a little dollop every time and it goes a long way. So yeah, that is all for my updates this month for my Project Pan. I have now used a total of 24 items. 24 items, guys! My goal originally was 21 for the entire year. We're not even at the halfway point of the year yet, and I have surpassed that goal. So because we have surpassed that goal, and I want to continue this, I think this is an amazing project for using up product that I normally wouldn't reach for, to not waste my product, and to use the things that I love and all of that. So I want to continue this. It is so much fun for me, and I think I need to make a new goal for the end of the year. I think we're gonna double it and see how that goes. So instead of 21, since we've gone past that now, we're gonna do 42. I know it's a weird number to choose, but that's what I'm doing. I'm just doubling it. So 42 items is now my new goal. I have used 24, so I'm now at 24. So we've still got a ways to go, but we've still got a lot left of the year to use product up. So I'm really excited about this. I am so happy that I even met my goal in general, and to meet it so soon and so quickly is just amazing, unbelievable. I didn't think that that would happen. I know that I have incorporated a lot of samples in small sizes of things, but it's honestly truly because I want to use them up. I don't want to keep collecting them because that's what I was doing. Yeah, so it's still an accomplishment for me, even though it's not all full-size products and it's not only makeup. This is a very good project for me, and the way I'm doing it is very good for me as well, because I have a lot in all of these categories, and this is really helping me go through it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching these videos. They are going to continue, and if you are doing a Project Pan, let me know down below. You know, what did you use? Did you use anything up this month? Do you have any exciting progress? What are the products you're using? Just I love watching these videos, so I'm so interested. And if you've used any of these products I'm using, let me know what your opinions are on them. I'm interested to know that as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.